Lesson 10 is joining and separating. Start on a clockwise entry stroke for an M. Retrace up the stroke and diverge around about a third of the way up. So come up and diverge. So in other words, we are not retracing all the way back up the stroke. We're springing away to the right. And this will give you some momentum to move rightwards in your handwriting. So this one is going up, down, springing up and arching away. Springing up and arching away. Lesson 10, separating. Create pronounced letter separation for greater legibility and ease of writing. Narrow letters with wide spacing is the key to legibility and ease of writing at speed. First of all, we'll make a separating stroke which rises at a 45-degree pen angle. So the first separating strokes, M, separate to I, separate to N, separate to I, M, separate to U, and M, 1, 2, 3, and separate to the red line. Separating at 35 degrees. The angle is now lowered, so the space between the dotted line and the red line is longer. A narrow M with a longer separating stroke to the I, a longer separating stroke to the N. The angle of the separating stroke is now 35 degrees. Separate, separate, separate. 35-degree angle spacing. Separating at 20 degrees. This should push the letters further apart, allow the brain to tackle the alternating rotations more easily, and become the basis for speed writing. I'm going up to make a narrow M, long spacer, I, long spacer, N, long spacer, I, a long spacer, M, a long spacer to the U, and a long spacer to the M. The spacing stroke is now a little above horizontal, it's 20 degrees, and it's moving you quickly towards the right.